OCO and welcome. Today we are at my new luxury listing in Gray Oaks in Bixby. This is an absolutely stunning 2021 custom built with 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, where most of the living is on the first floor. Hi, I'm Deb Cramer with Chenoweth & Cohen. This home is absolutely stunning inside and out. This home was made for entertaining with 3 outdoor living spaces and a flexible floor plan that allows you to utilize the rooms for your lifestyle. I can't wait to show you the wonderful features of this home. And first, my favorite is the beautiful expansive front porch. This is something out of Southern Magazine. It is definitely magazine picture worthy. Not only does this dramatic feature offer a wonderful entrance for family and friends, but at the end of the day, it's the perfect spot to grab a glass of wine and watch your neighbors walk their dogs. This community is multi-generational and has sidewalks throughout, a park, half-acre lots, and award-winning Bixby schools. As we step inside, I want to share a little history behind this 2021 custom-built home. Designed by an author, you will see incredible attention to detail in this energy-efficient home with many handicap-accessible amenities. From the exquisite designer lighting to the rich oak hardwood floors, a beautiful gourmet kitchen, no detail was left overlooked, and like every good novel, this home has some wonderful surprises. I can't wait to show you how unique and special this home is. As you step inside the foyer, it's like entering a modern gallery, but with Southern charm and warmth. Just off the front door to the left is guest room number 1, light and roomy with ensuite bath, walk-in closet, and its own entrance to the courtyard. It also has a surprise to reveal with a bright and cheerful office with large windows overlooking the wraparound front porch. What a lovely place to work or maybe write a novel. This guest room would make a wonderful in-law suite or team home from college room too. On the other side of the foyer, behind frosted glass doors, is guest suite number 2. With this home's flexible floor plan, this room could be an in-law suite, a second office, or a bright and airy guest room with a large walk-in closet for plenty of storage. As you venture further into the grand foyer, there is a family-safe room hidden behind the built-in bookcase. What a surprising and thoughtful use of space. Everyone always comments about the extraordinary designer lighting throughout this home, and it is impressive. The dining room with this brilliant modern chandelier adjoins the open kitchen and family room. And with a large sliding glass door to the courtyard, it provides the perfect setting for after-dinner coffee and dessert. The open gourmet eat-in kitchen is a cook's delight with quartz counters, double ovens, state-of-the-art Wi-Fi appliances, a large storage pantry, and plenty of room for multiple cooks in this light and bright kitchen. This beautiful cook's kitchen truly is the heart of the home. The breathtaking kitchen overlooks the large family room. Bathed in light, there is an exceptional gas and wood-burning fireplace and expansive sliding glass doors to the immense covered patio, the 3rd outdoor living space in this entertainer's dream home, ideal for large gatherings with family and friends. On this half-acre plus lot, you have plenty of room to play or add a pool. A couple of steps away is the guest bath and a massive owner's wing of the home, which includes a large laundry room with extra storage, linen closet, and huge understair storage closet. The bright and airy owner's suite has designer lighting and a large sliding glass door to the covered patio. With a gorgeous ensuite bath, double sinks, handicap-accessible shower, and double custom closets, the owner's wing has everything you need within a few steps. Up the beautiful oak stairway filled with light from the large landing window and designer chandelier, you find a huge bonus room with extra floor insulation for energy efficiency and soundproofing. This light and bright room could be a music room, an art studio, or theater room. And with built-in bunk beds, it is the perfect place for grandkids or teens to have sleepovers. There's a full bath upstairs and an energy-efficient ductless mini-split that supports the home's dual-zoned heating and air. Does this spectacular home have a vast 3-car side entry garage with an oversized overhead doors? It has plenty of parking for guests and an RV, along with RV hookups. This custom-built home has it all, and you can see why this special home is a unique, one-of-a-kind find. If this home could talk, it would say, "Welcome home." If you would like a private tour of this beautiful custom home, call me, Deb Cramer, Chenoweth & Cohen, 918-269-7118.